How to connect PayPal to Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your PayPal to your Facebook account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're on your Facebook app, you have to tap on the three lines or your profile picture in the top right side. If you are using iPhone, the three lines will be here in the bottom right side. And then once you're on your menu, you have to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy here, and then tap on settings, and then here in settings in account you will see payments. Tap on it, and here in payments, in payment methods, you will see new credit or debit card and PayPal. So tap on add PayPal and then wait for it to load, and then here Facebook will take you to the PayPal login page. So enter here your PayPal email address and password and tap on login, and your PayPal will be connected to Facebook. And so this is how you can connect PayPal to Facebook. Thanks for watching.